Hey friends, if you encounter this issue, the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the drivers and Windows. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows update page on the list on the left hand side and select advanced options in the right pane. Select optional updates and install all the optional updates. Now return to the Windows update page and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution and the last one will be to reinstall Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC and finally click on remove everything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.